Welcome back to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. In today's video, we are going to discuss why flying legally has real business value. This information is a good reminder for all pilots and can also be shown to clients who may not care if they are using drone operators with a Part 107 license. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. I was recently speaking with a real estate agent who said they didn't care if they hired unlicensed drone operators because they are cheaper. After holding back my initial horror of his comment, I politely informed the agent that if something went wrong on the flight, they could be in trouble as well, and they should reconsider hiring illegal pilots. In the fast-growing world of commercial drone services, many clients are focused on results. Stunning aerial shots, detailed maps, thermal inspections, or job site monitoring. But while deliverables are important, there's an even more critical factor that often goes unnoticed: the legality of the flight itself. Whether or not the drone operator you've hired is a certified FAA Part 107 pilot can have significant consequences, both in terms of project quality and legal liability. For clients, understanding the value of hiring a licensed pilot isn't just a nice-to-know detail. It's a business-critical consideration that affects safety, insurance, and compliance. Flying a drone commercially in the United States without a Part 107 certificate is illegal. The FAA clearly states that any drone operation performed in exchange for money or services is considered commercial use, and that includes everything from real estate video production to agricultural surveys and infrastructure inspections. When a client hires an uncertified pilot, they're not just taking a shortcut. They're participating in a legal operation, even if it's unintentional. This opens both the operator and the client to potential fines and legal actions. In some cases, violations can lead to thousands of dollars in penalties or trigger investigations into other business practices. Beyond legality, FAA-certified drone pilots bring a depth of aviation knowledge that helps keep operations safe and efficient. To earn a Part 107 certificate, operators must pass a comprehensive knowledge test covering airspace classifications, weather patterns, radio communication procedures, emergency protocols, and other essential topics. Certified pilots are trained to interpret things like METARs and TAFs to identify restricted airspace and understand the limitations of visual line-of-sight operations. This isn't just theoretical knowledge. It translates directly into safer, more professional flights. Clients benefit from hiring someone who knows exactly where and how they can legally operate, particularly in sensitive or complex environments like near airports, over roadways, or above construction sites. Another key benefit of hiring a certified drone pilot is the reduction of liability. Reputable operators typically carry commercial drone insurance that covers both the drone and third-party damages. However, insurance coverage is often conditional. Many policies become void if the pilot operating is not a licensed Part 107 pilot. If an uncertified pilot crashes their drone into a building, vehicle, or person and doesn't have valid insurance coverage, the client can be held financially responsible. In contrast, working with a licensed operator helps ensure that both the flight and business relationship are backed by appropriate protections. The risk goes beyond money. In regulated industries such as construction, utilities, energy, or government contracting, hiring non-compliant vendors can lead to audit findings or disqualifications for future work. Procurement departments often require proof of licensing and insurance, and partnering with illegal operators, even if unknowingly, can tarnish a company's reputation or cause a project to be delayed due to rework or regulatory review. Hiring a Part 107 certified operator signifies professionalism and due diligence, making clients look good in the eyes of stakeholders, regulators, and partners. Certification is also an indication of overall quality. Operators who take the time to earn and maintain their FAA license are typically more invested in the drone industry as a career, not just as a side hustle. They understand the value of pre-flight planning, data quality assurance, safety briefings, and clear communication. They're also more likely to stay updated on evolving FAA regulations, such as remote ID requirements and waivers for things like flying beyond the visual line of sight. When clients hire a licensed operator, they're more likely to receive reliable, legally compliant results that meet or exceed expectations. Even more importantly, FAA certified drone pilots are required to undergo recurrent training every 24 months. This ensures that they stay current with regulations and industry best practices. It's an ongoing commitment to safety, knowledge, and professionalism, one that directly benefits clients by reducing the likelihood of mistakes or legal issues. For businesses seeking drone services, verifying a pilot's Part 107 certification should be a standard practice. It's not just about checking a box for compliance, it's about protecting your business, minimizing risks, and partnering with professionals who understand what they're doing. Clients should ask for proof of certification, insurance documentation, and ensure any pilot they hire has a clear understanding of what regulations apply to their specific job. Flying legally under the Part 107 isn't just a drone operator's responsibility, it's something that benefits the entire business relationship. Clients who prioritize working with licensed, insured, and knowledgeable drone professionals are making a smart investment in safety, reliability, and long-term success. The next time you're considering hiring a drone operator, don't just look at their portfolio, ask about their credentials. Because in the drone industry, doing things the right way isn't just legal, it's smart business. If you aren't Part 107 certified or you know somebody else who is flying illegally, check out the link for our course in the comments below. It's an easy and inexpensive way to make sure you are taking the first step towards becoming an FAA certified commercial drone pilot. That's it for this video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.